Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the screen on an Acer Aspire 3810T. First thing we need to do, shut down the laptop, remove the battery. After that, we need to remove these 4 bezel screen covers. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver. These bottom ones are a little tough to get off. As you're removing these, make sure you notice the top bezel covers are a little bit thicker, so you put them back in the right location. So once we have those off, use a small Phillips head to remove the 4 bezel screws. Note that the top 2 are silver, bottom 2 are black. Make sure we get those right, back in the right places. That was a little tough. Okay, now we got the screws removed. This bezel is attached several points. I like to just get this flathead screwdriver, kind of get some separation there. Might be easier to start on the sides here. Once we have one popped off, just gotta go around unsnapping it. Some of them are a little more difficult than others. Come on. So now we've removed all of that. There's a couple more at the bottom here. Gotta snap out. Now on the sides here, there's one more connection. You have to snap out. And then once you've snapped all those out, you can just remove the bezel. Oh, excuse me. Can be a little tricky to get off here. Alright, place that aside. And what we're going to do is remove these 4 silver plates from the side that's actually holding our laptop screen in place. These guys. I was removing my bezel, I actually knocked this one out. Not quite sure where it went. I'll find it here in a second. Now that our screen's free, place it down on your keyboard. This is the video cable, so remove that tape there, pop that cable out, take your screen, get your replacement screen, remove all the plastic and whatnot from it. First thing we need to do for me is I need to find that fourth silver. Alright, there we go. Sorry about that. We take our replacement screen, we attach our video cable, press it in, press the tape down. Now we place the replacement screen, line it back up, make sure the screen is properly in place. And then we take these silver things that we removed, just going to slide them back in from where we removed them from. Now, after that, we can take our bezel, place it back on. What we're going to need to do is re-snap all these connectors back into place. Go around the outside, press them down. I'm going to go ahead and put a couple of these screws back in. Black ones on bottom. Now that I have all those, I'm going to make sure a couple of my bezel attachments are popped in here at the bottom. Let's see here. Make sure that's all good and attached. Make sure it's tied everywhere. Got all the connectors back in place. At this point, I'm going to take the larger screw covers, just stick them back on. The top, take the thinner ones. See if I can line them up on the bottom here. Maybe a little tricky. Get them exactly where they go. At that point, you can go ahead and put the battery back in there, and your screen will be completely replaced.